My undergrad and master program major was electronics engineering, and then my PI during master program was Dr. Jian Kim in Korea. He had some projects related to the medical imaging processing, so that was my first time to have some interest in biomedical field. And then luckily I met the current PI, who is Dr. Thomas Miller, in one conference in Korea. And then he invited me as a visiting student to his lab, and that experience made me to decide that I'm going to apply the PhD program in the US. So right now I'm third year PhD student in University of California, Irvine. My typical day, I think every engineering grad students are pretty similar like me, but usually during the morning time, I try to focus on studying fundamentals and reading some literatures. And then I usually start some experimental work task in the lab until 5 or 6 p.m. And after hours, I like to go to the gym to do some workout, or recently I started to play tennis with my friends. It's kind of pretty fun. And and have a dinner. I also recently started cook, so I'm not very good at, but I'm trying to learn it. So yeah, that's very typical days of mine. The reason why I involved ASLMS is when I joined the PhD program in UC Irvine, a lot of colleagues and professors mentioned about this society, and I really wanted to become a participant or a presenter of this conference one time. And the other thing is, as a grad student who's studying some optical techniques for clinical application, I think this ASLMS Society and conference is the perfect one that I can get some great viewpoint or insights from other researchers, or even from the clinicians and the company people too. Yeah. As a new student board representative, I guess first of all, I really want to promote this society to my colleagues in UC Irvine, because there are a lot of people, a lot of students, and a lot of friends of grad students who's working on the laser stuff or optical techniques, and which involves in clinical application or translational studies too. But not many people knows about this society yet. So I really want to push myself to promote our society to them. That's the first thing I want to do. And the second one is, as an international student, I will reach out to my colleagues and professors in Korea to encourage them to join this society too. And I think by doing so, I guess we can bring some diverse opinion and perspectives to our society from different countries. And for the last, as a student board representative during the board meeting, I think I hope that I can bring some good insight or viewpoint as a grad student to our society, which is, I think, really important to ASLMS to recruit or promote our society to undergraduate or graduate students too. Yeah. My simple joy is cleaning my room, doing some laundry, with listening some old records. And then I like to go to the gym to do some muscle exercise. And as I mentioned, I recently started to play tennis with friends, and that's pretty fun. And one unique hobby of me and the background is I actually pursued becoming a professional dancer when I was a teenager. and I just quit because of the injuries though. But still, sometimes I really enjoy to go to some dance session with my dancer friends or go to the events. That's kind of I think pretty unique hobby of me.